Hi first grade friends. Today we are going to be drawing some cupcakes. Today I only want you to use a pencil, eraser, and your permanent marker. You will not be coloring these this week. We will wait for those directions for next week. All right, you're going to draw with me today. So if you need to pause the video, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause it or rewind and take a break, whatever you need to do. We are drawing with a pencil first, so I won't need my marker yet. I'm going to put that off to the side. Now I have my white paper or your sketchbook, and I have my piece of scrap paper underneath there that's going to help protect the next page in your sketchbook or your table from getting the black marker on it. So always have that underneath. And you're going to go ahead and draw with me. The first thing we're going to do is at the bottom of the page, I'm going to go up just a little bit and I'm going to make a line that goes straight across for my table. Then I'm going to be drawing the cupcake. So I also have the steps here too, so you can see. I'm going to go about halfway up my page and I'm going to make my line, but it's going to come back down at an angle just a little bit. We don't want to make a triangle, right? But just a little bit of an angle. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, but it's going to come in towards the center again. Now, I'm going to connect across here by making a zigzag. Now, the trick is you don't want to make a teeny tiny zigzag like this because this is a bigger picture. You want to make a big zigzag going neatly across and connecting to the other side. So go ahead and make your big zigzags, not teeny tiny ones. After we're done making our zigzag, we're going to follow the point of our zigzag, and I'm going to come down to this first point, and I'm going to make a line that comes down at an angle to the bottom. Go up to the next point, make a line that comes down to the bottom. And I'm going to keep repeating that. So down, line, up, line, down, line, up, line. So if you made a really teeny tiny zigzag, it would be hard to do this because you would have a ton of lines, right? So if you needed to fix your zigzag because it had too many zigs and zags, that's fine. You can erase it and make a bigger one and then do your lines down so it's easier for you, okay? Once we're done making the base of our cupcake, we're going to start adding the top part. So I'm going to make my frosting look like it comes up by making a curved line and in on both sides. And then I'm going to build up another layer in up on both sides. Do one more. This time I'm going to go all the way across. And then I'm just going to make a little curl at the top of some frosting so it looks fancy. Once you're done with drawing the outline of your frosting, I want you to think about what kind of cupcake do you want this to be. It could be a vanilla cupcake with chocolate on top. It could be a strawberry shortcake one. It could be an M&M one. Whatever it is, you want to be able to show people by adding some details. So on this one, I have a little cherry on top, but maybe, and you can do your own, so you don't have to draw with me for this part, but just an example, maybe I wanted to have some M&Ms sprinkled on top. So I would draw so it looks like M&Ms. And I would draw them big because we're drawing really close up to our cupcake, right? Maybe your cupcake has sprinkles on it, or chocolate chips, whatever you want. Again, you don't have to do M&Ms. You could do something different. So when you're done adding your own details on top, all you need to do for today is trace all of your lines. So we're going to go over everything nice and neat. Even your details inside. Even your frosting lines. And even your base. And don't forget the line across the bottom. So you're going to trace all of your pencil. Once you're done tracing all of the pencil, you're going to go back and just clean it up, because sometimes that pencil peeks out underneath our marker. And just give it a little bath. We're just scrubbing our paper. After you're done drawing, tracing, and erasing today, you're going to take a picture and submit it to me in the seesaw activity so I can see your cupcake drawing. Remember, do not color this. Wait until next week to see what we're going to do for coloring. Have a great day. I hope you enjoy making your cupcakes.